event recipes for your family and friends, to even travel locations and photography. Well, today I'm going to show you a brief video that shows you how you can make simple repairs to your home without using a lot of money. So let's get right on into it. So folks, let me ask you a question. Have you ever had that one drawer that just won't cooperate? You pull and you pull and it's just pulling teeth to get it open. Well, I'm going to show you a neat trick that allows you to open a drawer and get it lubricated all over again. Well, it'll open easily. To do this, I have a very simple item that you may have around the house. Sunscreen. Okay, you're probably wondering, what in the world sunscreen? How could sunscreen possibly help? Well, folks, you got to remember, sunscreen has a oily substance to it, just like WD-40 or cooking spray. Now, usually I like to use WD-40, but some of you may not have that on hand. So I'm showing you alternatives to lubricate the metal within the framework of the drawers and compartments or doors that you may have that will allow you to, again, grant easy access. So let's check it out. Just to show you, as you can see, it's a little rough there. We take our spray. Remember to spray all 4 points. You can bring it down. Should get in there. And over here. I'm going to lubricate those metallic components in there. Alright. Work it a little bit. Slides right out. And there you have it, folks. An easy DIY project that you can do at home. Make your furniture and doors work like new. Thanks for tuning in. If you like it, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and please share. We'll be doing a unboxing video coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. And this is Les for More, signing out. Have a good night.